Of high pressure at the surface building into our neighborhood, although there's a little disturbance kicking in from the north. That's why you see this cloud cover. I don't expect any rain. It'll break up by morning and winds will actually turn to the north. You would think that would mean cooler weather, but because of this big ridge aloft coming in from the west, it's going to keep our temperatures just going up around here. And an excessive heat warning in effect in the area in pink again for most of central Virginia. This includes the metro area up to Fredericksburg, D.C., out towards the northern neck and middle peninsula. Where you see the red, that's a heat advisory and an excessive heat watch that is in effect, meaning really the heat index, how high that's going to be, determines what these advisories and warnings are. In the pink area, 105 to 110. We could reach 105 in terms of the heat index in other areas as well. Right now outside it's 91 degrees, but it feels like 98. The breeze right now is out of the south at 7. Dew point temperature 71, and we're likely to stay in the low 70s much of the coming week. So that adds humidity to the excessive heat. Overnight, we only drop into the low and mid 70s. Many places tomorrow hit triple digits. If you don't, you'll probably be in the upper 90s. Again, the heat index several degrees warmer. I don't need to tell you what it's like if you stay in the car, but we wanted to show some temperatures, how fast the heat builds inside your car. If you leave a pet or a child in the car, please don't do that, because look how fast it heats up. 109 in 10 minutes. That's if the outside temperature is 90. If it's 95, within an hour you're up to near 140 degrees, and these are the numbers at 100 degrees with an outside temperature. So shouldn't need to tell you that, but make sure that you bring any kids inside with you. Don't leave a pet in the car as well. If you're on the James, life jackets still required tomorrow, although the river level is going to come down a little bit during the afternoon. Here's the dew point forecast. As I told you, going to stay rather muggy. Tomorrow the dew points may drop a few degrees, but the rest of the week going back up. The ridge of high pressure keeps us protected from rain chances at least through tomorrow. Tuesday with the extreme heat, I wouldn't be surprised if we pick up an isolated storm, but the chances are pretty low across the board. The chances will increase as the week goes along. Notice a little bit of activity, especially across the mountains on Wednesday. So overnight, we're 74 in RVA, near 70 even in our rural communities. A warm, humid night tomorrow. Temperatures headed into the 90s by lunchtime, near triple-digit heat tomorrow afternoon. The heat index between 105 and 110. We'll do it again Tuesday. Both of those forecast highs actually fall 1 degree shy of the record. We stay in the upper 90s through much of the week, with rain chances increasing a bit. Just some scattered storms around Wednesday, Thursday, Friday into the weekend. Notice the overnight lows, the morning lows Tuesday and Wednesday near 80.